If your kitchen looks like a battlefield of ants, it's time to declare war. Here are some friendly tips to keep your kitchen bug-free. First up, bay leaves. Pop a few in your pantry or cabinets. Cockroaches and pantry moths hate their smell. Got ants? Place cucumber slices near their entry points. Ants can't stand that cucumber scent. Rub citrus peels along windowsills and entry points. Lemons, oranges, grapefruits. Insects find their natural oils unbearable. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Clean surfaces with it to repel ants. Place bowls of vinegar to trap fruit flies. Sprinkle ground cinnamon where you see ants. They dislike its strong scent. Plant mint around your home or place mint leaves strategically. Mint's fragrance will keep pests at bay. Used coffee grounds can repel ants too. Sprinkle them where ants enter. Mix borax and sugar in equal parts. The sugar attracts ants and borax eliminates them. Certain essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree oil are great for repelling insects. Mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle and apply. Lastly, clean regularly. Wipe down surfaces and store food in airtight containers to avoid attracting pests. Say goodbye to kitchen pests with these simple hacks. Happy cooking!